top focus. Day after sudden flooding in the basement of an IS coaching center in Delhi killed 3 students, the MCD sealed 13 coaching centers in the old Rajendra Nagar area that were flouting rules. The Delhi mayor has informed that searches were first conducted at several coaching centers in the area on Sunday, and the MCD then sealed institutes that were running commercial activities in the basement. Now, this comes after the mayor had directed the MCD commissioner to take strict action against all coaching centers across Delhi, which are under the jurisdiction of the civic body and are running commercial activities in their basements, which are in violation of building bylaws. But now the question that we are asking is, isn't this too little too late? 3 students, Shreya Yadav, Tanya Soni and Naveen Dalvin, died after the basement of Rouse IAS study circle was flooded on Saturday. The FIR registered in the case clearly says that the clogged drains at the coaching center area are the reason for the flooding of the basement. There were complaints earlier, but no action was taken. Well, the BJP has said that it had asked the Aam Aadmi Party MLA Durgesh Pathak to take action, but he paid no heed to their request. Well, we are learning the BJP is also expected to stage protest outside the Aam Aadmi Party office today. Well, the MCD house sitting is also expected to take place at around 2 p.m. and the BJP is likely to raise this matter there. Well, we'll be joined by our reporters on the broadcast in just a bit. Meanwhile, let's take a look at the reactions that are coming in from the students who've been protesting outside the Delhi coaching center where this incident unfolded, as well as the relatives of the victims. Yeah.
ये एक्चुअली इशू ये है कि यहाँ पे मोस्ट ऑफ द जितनी भी बिल्डिंग्स हैं, जैसे मैं अगर किसी बिल्डिंग में रह रहा हूँ तो उसकी पूरी बिल्डिंग की एंट्री और एग्जिट जो है वो बायोमेट्रिक से कंट्रोल होती है। तो उसमें कैसे है कि, और हमारा मतलब कंसर्न ये है कि अगर सपोज़ कुछ इमरजेंसी हो जाती है, आग लग जाती है या कैसे भी कोई भी इमरजेंसी हो जाती है, तो पूरे बिल्डिंग में कोई भी बालकनी नहीं है, कोई बिल्डिंग में कोई भी ऐसी जगह नहीं है कि अगर हम लोग किसी को इमरजेंसी नंबर पे कॉल करते हैं, कोई आता है कि हम लोग को रेस्क्यू कर लो, तो रेस्क्यू करने का उनके पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है। क्योंकि इमरजेंसी की वजह से कि अगर वो गेट के पास कोई इमरजेंसी होती है तो हम लोग अगर ऊपर हैं तो हम लोग नीचे आ नहीं सकते, और अगर कोई बाहर है तो वो अंदर आ नहीं सकता क्योंकि बायोमेट्रिक की वजह से वो लॉक हो गया है। ये एक्चुअली इशू ये है कि यहाँ पे मोस्ट ऑफ द जितनी भी बिल्डिंग्स हैं, जैसे मैं अगर किसी बिल्डिंग में रह रहा हूँ तो उसकी पूरी बिल्डिंग की एंट्री और एग्जिट जो है वो बायोमेट्रिक से कंट्रोल होती है।
All right, that is the latest coming in. At this point in time, we are learning the owner and the coordinator of the Delhi coaching center who were arrested earlier. They were also produced in the court and they were sent to 14-day judicial custody. All right, that is the latest coming in. We'll try and get more details. My colleague Ishika will also be joining us on the broadcast in just a bit. Tanushka is also at Rajendra Nagar where these coaching centers are situated. Well, now action is being taken. There's a crackdown by the MCD on these coaching centers who have been running basements illegally, who've been running libraries in the basements illegally. Now, 13 of these coaching centers have been sealed by the MCD yesterday. That is what we are learning, and this action comes just a day after the sudden flooding in the basement of this coaching center in Delhi had killed 3 innocent students. Well, Tanya Soni belonged to Telangana. Shreya Yadav was from UP and Naveen Dalvin was from Kerala. Well, it's hard to really fathom how and what their parents, their families must be going through. It's really difficult to understand their pain. But, well, these students who are now sitting outside those coaching centers in Rajendra Nagar are demanding justice for the 3 students.